Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by importing all your source material into Capcut so nothing interrupts flow. Drag voiceover, narration notes, archive photos, and short B-roll clips into the media bin. This makes editing faster. Once done, create a 16:9 timeline at 1080p and set the frame rate to 24 or 30 FPS to match footage. Make sure to rename clips for quick access. This prevents misplaced assets later and lets you cut efficiently while preserving historical context. You now build the rough cut. Place the voiceover audio on the primary track and trim silence so pacing feels tight. Then align images and B-roll so visuals change exactly when you reference events. This sync makes the explanation clearer and keeps viewer attention. Use split to remove mistakes, speed adjustments to compress slow footage, and freeze frame on key photos to emphasize dates or names. Make sure transitions are simple, cuts, and short dissolves to maintain a documentary tone. You finish by polishing visuals and audio. Add concise titles and lower thirds for names and dates, then apply a subtle color grade to unify clips. Once done, mix audio by reducing background noise and ducking music so the narration stays prominent. This improves comprehension and preserves historical detail. Export as MP4H, 264 with 1080p settings. If audio pops or sync drifts, re-import the final export to pinpoint the problem. Often frame rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.